In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Deliveroo website and find a great discount code using Brave's search capabilities. Let's dive in and simplify your next order experience. First, grab your favorite web browser and head over to the Deliveroo website. You can easily find it by typing deliveroo.co.uk into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you're going to notice a couple of options on the home page. One of these options will be to sign up or log in. If you're a returning customer, logging in will give you access to your past orders and favorites. If you're new, signing up is quick and worthwhile if you plan to use Deliveroo regularly for its various deals and features. Now, let's assume you're aiming to save a bit of money today, and who doesn't love a good discount? Next, we'll search for some Deliveroo discount codes. To do this efficiently, open a new tab in your browser and type in Deliveroo discount code websites into your Google or Brave search bar. Why Brave, you might wonder? It's a great privacy-focused browser option that keeps your search experience smooth and ad-free, which is always welcomed. In today's session, though, we're going to check out one specific website called Coupon Follow, which is known for having a reliable collection of codes. Once you're on Coupon Follow's Deliveroo section, the first thing you want to do is click on Follow Deliveroo. By doing this, you'll get updates on all the latest deals and offers. It's like having a personal assistant keeping you informed on potential savings. After following Deliveroo, look for the button that says Show Coupon Code. Clicking this is key. It'll reveal the precious discount code hidden behind the digital veil. You'll see a series of numbers and letters pop up, which is your coupon code. The next step is to click on the copy button. This ensures the code is copied to your clipboard, so you don't have to worry about mistyping those precious characters later. Finally, there's the all-important step of applying the code to your Deliveroo order. On Coupon Follow, you'll see an option that says Redeem at Deliveroo. It's a simple click, but a significant one, as it directs you right back to the Deliveroo website. Here, you can start an order with your saved restaurants or explore new ones, and when you reach the payment section, paste the copied code into the coupon or discount box. Hit Apply, and voila! Your final bill should reflect the discount. Remember, these codes can vary in availability, so it's good to keep checking back often before you